8 mar dweni. Komachielo bende ni jatend migao mar thieth Aden Duale olero ni migao mare oikore mar neno ni Jokenya duto oyudo chenro mag thieth e yo makare kendo marang'iny ni malo kendo neno ni kuonde tiegruok mag weche thieth luwo chike ma bende oseketi. Owacho ni chenro mar ndikruok ne okumba mar thieth mano mar SHA dhi nyime e yo makare ka nyaka sani Jokenya milion 23 osendikore ne okumbano e jumani.
Universal health coverage is no longer a dream. It's a plan. It is funded by government and it's already being implemented. And for your information, yesterday at 10 p.m., we recorded the highest number of Kenyans who registered with the Social Health Authority for the first time. And the number was 74,000. Some institutions are turning out graduates with a little regard for quality, relevance, or employment pathways. And I want to be very clear today that the Ministry of Health will not sit back and watch KMTC become part of this problem. KMTC will not offer credentials without competence.
Duale bende nopuoyo okumbano mar SHA kowacho ni okumbano osekonyo ahinya e tieko chuth mibadhi ma bende nosebedo e okumba machon mano mar NHIF.
If a surgery is done, we will know that doctor. Without his pre-authorization code, that surgery will not be paid. So the system, we are getting rid out of ghost facilities, ghost healthcare workers, and fake and counterfeit drugs. Because even in the system, we have track and trace.